Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get a job in MS Excel. First, understand that employers seek specific skills. Focus on mastering functions like VLOOKUP, index match, and pivot tables. Practice these with real-world data sets to build your proficiency. This foundational knowledge is crucial for any Excel-centric role. Once you have the skills, it's time to prove them. Pursue an Excel certification to validate your expertise. Then, create a portfolio of projects that highlight your abilities in data cleaning, analysis, and visualization. This tangible evidence will set you apart from other candidates and show your practical application of Excel. Now, let's focus on the job search. Tailor your resume to specifically highlight your Excel accomplishments, using action verbs and quantifiable results. Actively network with professionals in data-driven roles to uncover opportunities. Finally, prepare thoroughly for technical Excel assessments, which often involve practical tasks and specific function questions. The journey doesn't end once you land a job. Continuous learning is key to staying competitive. Keep up with new Excel features and explore advanced tools like Power Query and Power Pivot to expand your capabilities. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you keep your home as organized as your spreadsheets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.